everyone and welcome to my channel. Tonight I'm going to be heading out to a place called The Space. It's like a cafe, hookah bar, restaurant, and at the same time it is a place where Zimbabwean fashion designers showcase their designs and also sell them. Now I'm not just going to go there to chill and to look at the designs, although that's something I would totally do, but there is a fashion styling workshop tonight and I'm going to take part in it. I'm really excited because I always want to improve my fashion styling game, whether it be personally or just for my portfolio as well. I am working on becoming a fashion stylist myself, so I think this is a great opportunity and something not to be missed.
You can wear it with sandals, or you can wear it with sneakers too. You know, it has a little pattern here which repeats the lines here, so that's why it looks very organic. It matches, you know.
I'm into vintage dresses from the previous era. What advice do you have for me so that I'm able to accentuate my outfits for my clients?
What normally the vintage boutique owners do, they look at the trends, because trends they always repeat themselves. You know, every 2-3 years, you know, they come back. That's what you need to look in the vintage market. So it sells. It looks new, like because it's in trends, but it's vintage. It has history.
So what would be your general advice to someone who's trying to break into fashion styling?
The magazine stylist, the editor, you know, and the stylists that work with people, you know, it's a different story. Because if you want to work with people, you have to study the body shapes. That's the key thing, you know. Like that's your main focus, like a human being.